Good morning, primary class. It's been a long time since we've met together in our classroom at Avondale Assembly of God, and I want you to know we miss you all and we can't wait to get back together. We've been talking about the kings of Israel, and so far we've only talked about three. We've talked about King Saul, King David, and King Solomon. Last week we talked about King Solomon's gift of wisdom. And he forgot about that wisdom that was given to him from God. He became very proud, unfortunately, and Solomon made a lot of mistakes.
I've noticed in most of our stories that things start out great. God gives us a wonderful garden, or a land filled with milk and honey, or a kingdom and the power to win all our battles, and then we ignore him and mess it all up.
Now that you mention it, I've noticed that too.
So does that happen to King Solomon too?
Good observation, fellas. Well, all that wealth and all that fame can have an effect on a guy. King Solomon spent 7 years building a house for God, then spent 13 years building an even bigger house for himself.
That's a bad sign. He even built a big palace just for his favorite wife.
Wait, favorite wife? He had more than one?
It was common back then for kings to show how rich they were by having lots of wives.
How many did he have? 2?
More than that.
2.5?
You can't have half a wife.
2 3/4?
He has 700 wives.
700?
That's a lot of wives.
Yep, way more than he needed. First Kings also says he had 40,000 stalls for his horses. Way more than he needed. And that was a problem because God's law specifically said that kings of Israel weren't supposed to collect more horses than they needed. Yet that's exactly what Solomon was doing. But it gets worse.
Solomon messed up really bad, and after he was king, something really sad happened because of him messing up. So, hey, Dallas, you can join us now. I'm glad you decided to wake up and come to Sunday school with Mom. Okay, I need your help. So after Solomon, something really sad happened. So grab that. Pull. This doesn't rip very good. The kingdom of Israel was split into 2 kingdoms. Something like that. 2 kingdoms. So now we have kingdom of Israel. Dallas, hold this. And the kingdom of Judah. See that? Put them down. Israel was the 10 northern tribes, and Judah was the 10 southern tribes.
2 southern
2.
tribes.
Oh Lord, I'm giving you 20 tribes. The kingdoms were only 12. 10 of them were Israel, and 2 of them were Judah. And then we need, if we have 2 kingdoms, how many kings do we need?
2.
2. So in the north, we have King Jeroboam.
And in the south, we have Rehoboam.
King Rehoboam. 2 kings. 2 kings, too many.
Jeroboam ruled over the 10 tribes in the north, and his kingdom was called Israel. Solomon's son Rehoboam ruled over Judah, and little Benjamin too. God's kingdom was broken in 2.
Jeroboam,
Rehoboam.
splitting up the kingdom. Each gets a piece to rule.
Even though God had given Solomon wisdom.
He ended up acting like a fool.
I wanna help. Who said that?
What a silly thing to break up your kingdom. Hey, wait.
I'm not sure a parachute was the right choice.
We don't all have biplanes, you know.
2 kings. 2 kings, too many. You only need 1 king, but because of Solomon, that was a pretty big mistake Solomon made. He got really proud, and he spent a lot of money on things he didn't need. He had 700 wives and bought too many horses.
700 wives.
700 wives. That's a lot, right?
Yeah.
Well, we need to learn a lesson from this. We need to stay humble, and we need to be like King David. We need to have a heart after God's own heart. Be a man after God's own heart. Be just like David, and whenever we mess up and make mistakes, because David wasn't perfect, he messed up, but he ran right back to God and he said, I'm sorry, forgive me, I'm going to do it right. And because of that, God kept the kingdom, the crown, in David's family, and David was able to pass that crown down, unlike King Saul, who wasn't able to pass that crown down in his family. So let's stay humble this week and stay healthy. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.